What's up and welcome back to Metanoia. This is Mona Lisa, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to plan your monthly goals on my journal. Sometimes it happens, when we write out this whole new year resolution, we plan our yearly goals. When we look back on those pages, we think, how am I supposed to finish these goals? The year is like halfway through, and I want to say that when we break those bigger goals into smaller goals, which looks achievable, you actually fulfill all those goals which you had planned out in the beginning of the year. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before I begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload. So I like to do a review before I move on to the next month. Grab your journal and let's get started. So here are the questions that I asked. What is one emotion that's going to describe June? Pause and write it down. What is one lesson you learned from the previous month? What is one accomplishment you made in the previous month? What is one mistake you did, and what will you do to rectify it? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most positive, how would you rate the previous month? And favorite song of the month. Now I will read out all my answers, and if you want to just skip to the part where I plan out the next month, you can go ahead and skip that part. I'll leave it in the description below. But if you want to stick around and know how my month went, you can keep watching. So this is my journal and I write everything down here. So I'll give you my June review. Describe June in one word was crazy and productive. I felt a little crazy because everything was moving too fast and I felt like I could not cope up, and I think that's why I felt a little bit crazy. And productive because I shot all my videos while I was here and it's been amazing. What is the one lesson I learned from June? That eventually everything falls into place and obsessing over it will never help. I felt like nothing was working out, everything was a mess, and the one thing that was keeping me sane was YouTube. But I realized that everything falls into place eventually. I could not see it in that moment, but now that I'm reviewing everything has fallen into place and I am in a really good place right now. What is one accomplishment you made this month? That I could follow a new system where I wrote down 10 things to be grateful for every day, and I have so many things to be grateful for. So I installed this new system in me that I write 10 things that I'm grateful for every day in the morning, and before I go to sleep I tell myself the one good thing that happened during the day. I actually got to know about this practice from a book called The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. If you want to read it, go ahead. It's a really good book. It has 28 practices, and I won't say that I installed all of the practices in my life, but this is the one that I'm really following. So here's the part where we actually plan our next month. So I would suggest that plan your next month on the 28th or the 29th. These are the questions that I ask myself when I'm starting the new month. Since it's a July plan with me, I'm gonna ask myself July will be, and you can write anything you want, like if you want it to be productive or if you want it to be a happy month. July will be fill in the blanks. Next in the list is what are the top 3 goals that you wish to achieve this month, and take all those goals from the entire list that you have laid out for yourself, and just take top 3 goals that you really want to accomplish this month and focus entirely on those 3 goals for that month. And I think that really helps because you can actually plan it out how you're going to proceed with your goal. And following question to this would be, divide your goals into smaller goals in a weekly manner. So let's say you have a goal that you want to start doing exercises. So how are you going to bring it about. For the first week, you do 2 days a week and you start exercising for 2 days a week. The next week, maybe you leave it out, you want it to slowly inculcate in your system. So the week after that, you do 2 days a week again. So that's how you plan your month. Following question would be a weekly breakdown of your goals. So there you go, guys. Plan your goals monthly and you will see your goals being fulfilled by the end of the year when you break it down into monthly goals. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know if you did. And thank you for watching. Bye.